Hi, we are making gingerbread cookies. First, we add 180 grams unsalted butter. Next, we add 100 grams of brown sugar. Mix until it's fluffy and soft. Crack an egg. Mix the egg with butter and sugar. Now we add 113 grams of golden syrup. Now we mix 420 grams of plain flour. Next we add 22 grams ground ginger and 7 grams of baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients well. Add your dry ingredients with butter and sugar. Mix it well. Chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now we can roll it out. We can cut it into our favorite shape. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to put royal icing. 200 grams of icing sugar. 1 egg white. 20 grams of milk. Now we mix it. Now we can add food coloring all we want. When it's done cooking, we can put icing on it. I like to add ice to my cookies. Make sure you don't add real paint.